that a new day is on the horizon.
Oprah Winfrey's rousing speech at the Golden Globes was still reverberating on Monday amid a storm of speculation about a possible 2020 White House run by the veteran businesswoman, actress, and TV star. On Sunday night, Winfrey became the first black woman to receive the annual award show's Lifetime Achievement Honor. But it was her ringing remarks on the empowerment of women after last year's sexual harassment scandals that lit up the internet and dominated morning television.
I've interviewed and portrayed people who've withstood some of the ugliest things life can throw at you, but the one quality all of them seem to share is an ability to maintain hope for a brighter morning.
Her words sounding to many like the early stirrings of a potential presidential run. CNN reported on Monday that she's actively considering taking a page from Donald Trump's playbook, citing two of her close friends who spoke to the network after the speech. And her longtime partner Stedman Graham told the LA Times, quote, she would absolutely do it. In recent years, Winfrey has lent her star power to Democratic presidential candidates, Barack Obama in 2008 and Hillary Clinton in 2016. Oprah has never ruled out a run for the White House.